Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your brake light. Next, open your trunk to access the tail light assembly. You'll see two Phillips head screws holding it in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out smoothly, revealing the wiring and bulb sockets behind it. Now, with the assembly detached, locate the brake light bulb socket. It's usually the larger one. Twist the socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old 7440 bulb straight out. It might be a bit snug. Then, take your new 7440 bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's fully seated. This ensures a good electrical connection. Finally, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it back into place on the vehicle. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier to secure everything. Have someone check the brake light while you press the pedal to confirm it's working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.